दिस इज सिराज और अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं टेक्सटाइल फैक्ट्री में, आप लोग को दिखाते हैं सारे चीज़। तो
ये बीम जो पड़ रही है एकदम उसी पे सेट करना है, रोज की लाइनिंग। ये हल्का ऊंचा भी आगे प्लेस कर देगा ना तो गलत कट जाएगा,
कट आगे पीछे हो जाएगा।
कट आगे पीछे हो जाएगा।
ठीक है।
इन सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है ना लेजर कटिंग का।
और ये काम
कपड़ा
आपके
बैठाना बेल्ट पे पोजीशन से बीम आ रही है।
ठीक है। और ये काम आपके जो आपके यहाँ स्पेसिफाइड तो नहीं है।
हाँ यही कर।
ठीक है।
बहुत ज़्यादा इसके कंपेरिजन में थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है।
जैसे कोई दिक्कत आप फिर इसका क्या करते हैं?
ये रिजेक्टेड है।
ये रिजेक्टेड है तो
तो
फिर
रिजेक्टेड वाले का क्या होता है फिर? ये काफी पतला भी लगा
ये स्क्रैप वाले ले जाते हैं।
स्क्रैप वाले जाते हैं।
अच्छी क्वालिटी आपको देखनी पड़ती होगी मैनुअली, एक पार्ट देखना पड़ता होगा।
ये कंप्यूटर में पहले कोशिश करनी चाहिए। अभी इतना कुछ तो अपने आप ही करते हैं। डिजाइन इस पे चेंज होता है, पेन ड्राइव के लिए। पेन ड्राइव के इसमें कॉपी बाकी और भी कई सारे इसके वेंडर हैं। इसका मल्टीपल यूज है, सॉक्स में भी ये यूज होता है। या जैसे ये नॉर्थ दे दिया ना अपना, वो और बहादुरगढ़ एरिया जो है वो पूरा शू हब है, बहुत बड़ा बेल्ट है वो शू। उसी एरिया में हमारी सप्लाई है। वहाँ फुटवेयर का हब है वो पूरा। धागा यहाँ पे चारे दिए फिनिशिंग कर रहा है और नीचे से पूरी फूट निकल रहा है मेरे पास।
कहाँ से शुरू होती है और कहाँ पे
यहाँ पे
सबसे पहले आप प्लेट
मशीन,
सबसे पहले आप प्लेट पकड़ लो, वो आपके पास
पानीपत से आता
फिर
है।
आपका पानीपत से आता है।
पानीपत से आता है, लोकल दिल्ली से भी आता है।
तो बाई रोड आते हैं,
बाई रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट आता है।
ट्रक से आते हैं। उसके बाद फिर वो डेक से आता है आपके पास डायरेक्टली आपके जहाँ से फिर आप यहाँ प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले उस प्लेट से मशीन पर
अरे ऑपरेटर अपनी अपनी जगह चेक करते रहते हैं। ऑपरेटर भी क्या निकल रहा है वो तो देखते ही रहते हैं ना। उस लेवल पे भी थोड़ा बहुत रिएक्शन हो जाता है। अब एकदम ही खराब बन गया तो ऑपरेटर को तो पता है ना, मशीन के जो ऑपरेटर है ये खराब बन गया तो वहाँ पे भी वो रिएक्ट करते हैं।
क्या क्या गलती है तो आपको दिखती है कि ये खराब पीस है। आप क्या क्या चीज़ देखते हो कि अच्छा ये चीज़ खराब है तो ये चीज़ डिफेक्ट में चला जाए।
कुछ भी खराब है तो डिफेक्ट नहीं होती है।
जैसे
गोल हो गया, कट किया, पैटर्न सही नहीं बना।
तो मतलब आपकी मशीन से मेजर दिक्कत
Hello everyone. We visited, we group 5 visited to manufacturing unit of shoe component manufacturer. That is located in sector 15. Okay, and the name of the company was Sunnyvale Private Limited, which manufactures the components regarding the shoes. That is the upper part of the shoes. So basically, this was our operational visit to the factory, and there we got to know many things, how they procure the raw materials and how they basically manufacture, what kind of challenges they are facing currently, and how they are solving these kind of problems. So Meda, what you learned through this visit of our factory?
Yes, thank you. So let me tell you that I have observed so many things with my team. So we were focusing on quality. So we focused first of all that how they are maintaining the quality of machines. So we observed that they had that all those machines were from China and they had all those things in a computerized way. So they needed a very skilled person for handling those machines. So they were training them properly about all the parts, how to handle, and even they were focusing on quality check like that how many times they have to use that machine and all. So now Siraj, can you explain a little bit about
So what we learn from Sunnyvale Private Limited, I will speak about the quality problems they were facing. So basically they were using three machines. First one is laser cutting machine, second one is knitting machine, and third one is ironing machine. In ironing machine there was inconsistency in pressing the shoe upper part. In laser cutting machine there was a software glitch and thread also being repeatedly broken. And in lastly the other problem is in laser cutting. In laser cutting there was a misalignment. If we do not put the part in the correct manner, there was a misalignment in that part.
Hello sir, my name is Jayesh and I would like to talk about my visit to Sunnyvale Private Limited. So I inquired about the competitors. He told us about that his competitors mainly lies in Greater Noida part region. His name was Fitfoot Private Limited, and we asked about the suppliers of the clothes and also the supplier of the ribbons also. He told us about that his supplier is supplying to other companies as well. So we asked about if there is like any priority competition between their other competitors also. So we like talked about the operations, how he manages, and also the supervisors who supervises, and also talked about the quality checks, and also he told us about the required amount of like machines, how it is used, how it is operated.
So hi, I am Sahil. During our field visit at Sunnyvale Private Limited, we got to know that they have been doing quality checks at various stages, at various steps. If I talk about the first step, where they first put the threads, their raw material to produce that product, they have a quality check after when the product is produced. When the product is produced, that upper part of shoes comes out from that thread, from that machine. There is a specialized person, skilled person, who used to check whether the upper part of the shoe should not be. The person checks the quality from his own skill set, not from any. They have. After getting clearance from that person who is manually checking the quality of that upper part of the shoe, the clearance product moves on to the next second product line, that is ironing. After ironing of that product, there is no quality check at this point of time. Yes, they do have. It's not exactly a quality fault. Sometimes the product gets stuck in the machine. So there is also a person standing there who used to check whether the product gets stuck in it. So there is the person who is standing at the ironing product line, ironing machine. The person takes it out, and after product gets clearance from that ironing part of machine, the product moves to the laser cutting machine part. And there are specialized persons, approximately 6 to 7 people, who used to stand there, who puts that upper part of the shoe at the right mark of that machine, so that lasers don't get on the wrong place. So at that point of time, they also have manually product checking, manually quality checking. So yeah, that's how they check the qualities of the product.
Hello, my name is Yashashvi Jain and I will talk about my learnings in this operation project. So we went to a company named as Sunny Private Limited, which was a shoe skin manufacturer which made the upper layer of the shoes. All the observations that I seen is like it was a small company, not a medium-sized company. It was located in a small industrial area near sector 16. And first, the transportation, they did the transportation mostly by tempo travelers, and they didn't have any different big silos and all for the storage. For one floor was for manufacturing and another floor was for the storage only. And all the quality checks that they did were mainly did by manual labor only. They didn't have any specific machines to check the quality of the skin and all. And Yes, they had a special room for special room for knitting machines and all. So these were my observations. Thank you.